Hi, I'm Marta, digital marketing consultant and creator of The Social School. On the Studio Movellan channel, you'll find helpful digital marketing and social media tips and how-tos to grow your small business. Be sure to subscribe below. I use Google Docs every day to keep my business organized. For some types of documents like proposals, client onboarding, or contracts, I need to use the same version multiple times. So instead of making a copy, I make a template. So say I've onboarded a new client and want to create a document to house the notes from all of our calls. Here's how I would create a template so I don't have to start from scratch every time in the future. So first, I'm going to create my document. I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to add this here so that I can change this out as appropriate. Then I'm going to go into my Google Drive, click New, go down to Google Docs, and then from a template. Next, I'm going to click Submit Template. And then I'm going to select my document. So I want to pick my client call notes. I can submit a copy of this if I want. And if you have a lot of templates, it's really nice to use these categories to keep it organized. And for this one, I'm going to select basics. Click submit and you're done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your any questions in the comments below.